Think about any entrepreneur, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos. The reason why they keep working is because they're wanting to just continue building their business. They keep adding different divisions to their business. They want to keep growing their business. And people often say, if you're so good at trading, why do you need to teach people how to trade? Why are you training people? Why don't you just sit and trade for yourself? That's what I do as well. I trade, I invest, but I have plenty of free time where I'm more than happy to try and share some of my knowledge with people and try and help them do that and grow my whole trading operation. My name is Colin Abrams. I want to talk to you a little bit about trading the financial markets. I've been trading since the mid-1980s and I've certainly picked up a lot, learned a lot along the way. I've also been training people how to trade the market since the year 2001. There are a number of reasons why I teach people how to trade as well. There's no shortage of money or opportunities out there. I don't lose anything by sharing my knowledge with people. There's enough for everyone to go around. I give people the opportunity to make money for themselves, to invest and to grow their own money, make their money work for them by learning some of the methods that I've picked up over the past 30 years. I've taught well over 3,000 people since 2001 how to trade and invest in the market. I get a deep sense of satisfaction doing something that actually helps people. It's one thing for me to sit in my office and trade. It's another thing to share my knowledge and help people and help them uplift their lives from the drudgery of their everyday jobs. It's a deeper satisfaction that is actually more satisfying than making money. If you'd like to learn some of my trading rules, feel free to click that link, get that ebook for free. I'll also send you some free videos where you'll learn some of the things I've picked up over the past 30 years.